Clock, we begin with that breaking news, an explosive new document in the Delphi murders case that details exactly what was said in closed chambers before the original defense team for the suspect in the murders was pulled from the case. 13 Investigates Sierra Putman has been going through these transcripts. So Sierra, what'd you find?
Well, two things are clear after reading these 29 pages. The first is that the defense team says it was essentially blindsided by this move. And two, the judge says she had growing concerns about them for months. Back on October 19th, Judge Francis Gall called the lawyers involved in the Delphi case into her chambers. They were expecting to have a hearing. Instead, the judge told the defense attorneys Brad Rosie and Andrew Baldwin she had concerns about their representation of Richard Allen since November of last year. She went on to say leaks in the case exacerbated those concerns, saying, quote, "It pains me to say this, but the totality of these circumstances demonstrate gross negligence and incompetence on the part of the defense team. I am gravely concerned about his rights to have competent, non-negligent representation." Defense attorney Bradley Rosie later said, reading the tea leaves here, "What you're giving us a chance to do is to bow out gracefully," and later had the following exchange. So basically, what you're saying is you guys either quit on your own accord or make me fire you. Behind closed doors, both attorneys said they would withdraw to avoid public shaming, but said they believed the judge's move was improper. They also told the judge Richard Allen specifically stated he did not want them to step down. That's important because Allen asked the Indiana Supreme Court to keep his attorneys and instead to remove the judge. Judge Gall has until next week to respond.
All right. We know you're going to be staying on top of it for us, Sierra. Thanks so much.
You know, Bob's definitely on top of this one.
Yeah, been so many twists and turns along the way. Thanks so much.